to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey guys! Today we're making awesome paper crafts for school. I was just about to…
Sue! Sue, the cable monster got me! It's huge! It's wiggly! It's like a wire kraken!
Oh no! Technology is eating Sammy alive! Quick, someone! Press the undo button.
For real though, look at this mess! How am I supposed to carry this to school?
Relax, Drama King. I'll fix it. Watch closely. Craft magic incoming! Done! Tamed, organized, and beautiful.
Organized, yes, but it still needs our brand! More color, more sparkle, more wow! Wait, what is this thing? Perfect! Wow, that's awesome! I had just turned boring into cool!
Yep, craft powers activated.
Ah! The monster is back!
Relax, Sammy. It's just me. And these googly eyes.
Googly eyes, instant win! And I made this!
Nice! Okay, Sammy. Now you're officially school ready.
If only I had something fun for recess. Not wires, though. Never wires again! Huh? That looks like fun! I should just skip over it, right? Ah!
He's so clumsy.
Ouch! Ugh, okay. No wires then. Oh no! Sue! I accidentally broke this thing and can't put it back together!
Sue to the rescue. Nick and Judy, don't worry. I got you. First, we cut out a piece of cardboard. Actually, we need 2 of them! Next, Sammy, helper mode on.
Hi-ya! Yeah, this craft looks naked. It needs clothes and color. Lots of color.
Great point. And nice touch with this purple shade. And ta-da!
Sue, this puzzle is next level! Haha!
So here is how it's done. Okay, Master Crafter, what's with this?
That's super simple! Tape these thingies here, here, and there!
Like this? Am I doing it right?
Yep, perfect! Now flip it! Add more tape! That's right! And here's the other side of the frame!
All right, done! So is this supposed to be new blinds for your room?
What? No way! I admit it looks like it, though. Here, check it out. Technocraft magic! Woohoo!
Whoa, I want to try doing that too! Whoosh! Hey, it's not working. Okay, I'll just do it classic style. Aww, what a cute little unicorn! Wait, our teacher, Miss Sally, loves unicorns. Oh no, we forgot about her birthday! Sammy, focus! I was supposed to wrap the gift!
Relax, you're talking to a pro. I once wrapped a gift for a princess of TV Dabble herself!
Really? Well, I hope it looked good. Now, am I doing it right at all? Well, it looks… interesting. What's next?
Next, let's fill that perfect wrapping with candy.
Here comes jewelry, too!
Does a teacher need candy? Seriously. I mean, I'm hungry.
Nice try, Sammy. I'd better close it up to keep the candy safe.
Then I'll just go give it to Miss Sally.
Sammy! Her birthday is next week. This stays with me for now. Far, far away from your sweet tooth.
Fine, I've got another super top secret spy idea for our next craft.
So, spy idea, huh?
Ah! Don't sneak up on me like that, Sue. Here, we will make a secret spy watch.
What's so secret about it? Except maybe the folding technique.
There will be a hidden candy compartment. Duh.
For sneaky snacking? Cool. But we need more parts.
I got what you asked for.
Nice! Here's what you asked for.
Nicely done. Mission complete, Agent Sue! Hey! I was undercover!
And I just want to finish this craft. Let me try. Wow, super comfy.
Agreed.
Sammy, you ate everything?
Yeah, I couldn't help it. Uh-oh, pencil emergency! We need a sharpener!
Easy. Just give me a sec.
Please tell me it won't make a mess. I'm done with shavings.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Now, we need decorations.
It looks like... Exactly! Ta-da!
I'm not sure how this is gonna help.
Just use your imagination and a bit of magic.
Wow, your creativity is wild, especially when food is involved.
It looks delicious. Aww.
Sammy, you okay?
Tie me up before I eat it.
So silly.
Aw, Sue, it looks so cute.
And the best part? No more messy shavings.
Nice! I got a super sharp pencil. But I still can't draw a straight line.
Do you really need a straight line?
Well, yeah. I gotta make a birthday card for Miss Sally.
You're right. And I've got an idea. We'll make a paper ruler for perfect lines.
Love the idea, Sue. Don't forget to reinforce it.
Good call, Sammy.
This ruler needs a cuteness upgrade. Bears are cute, aren't they?
That's true. I simply love pandas.
Me too! But this doesn't look like a panda. Is it a rare blue panda?
I love it! Special panda needs special markings. All done. Time for the birthday card.
Perfect timing! I got everything ready to go.
All right, guys. This card is gonna be special. Watch closely.
Woohoo! Let's go! Best card ever!
Thanks for your smile. But just one emoji isn't enough.
Agent Sam is on the mission! Ew, it's sour! Anything for craft!
Great job! But we need even more.
Come on, push through!
I'm trying. I can't feel my slime. Ugh.
And done. Ready to test it?
Red face with a tongue? Now, squinty eyes? This is so cool, Sue! If only we could save these funny moments. Wait! We need a camera! And it has to be my favorite color!
Sure thing. The first part's ready. Sammy, can you?
Ah! Haha! Gotcha! It's a paper snake!
Oh yeah? Take this! Paper snake attack! Okay, truce. Hand over the rest parts.
Roger that! This selfie stick is perfect!
Maybe. Not for selfies, though.
And I made the film! Here you go!
It meets color. Say cheese, everybody! Isn't it just perfect for saving happy memories?
Don't forget the back cover!
Got it! And all the buttons, too! Here comes the lens! Well, should we test it? Hey, it's not working.
Give it another try with the flash!
Yes! Look at all these photos! Aren't they just amazing?
Wow, we made so many school crafts today!
True, but school isn't just homework.
Exactly! It's also summer break! Swimming in the ocean, cute fish everywhere. Oh, hello you! Say cheese! Oops, gotta go! Sue, here are my underwater photos for our last craft!
Oh, I love your idea. Guys, we'll make ocean squishies to remember the summer by.
Don't forget water, too!
Of course. Only the cleanest, splashiest water, straight from the heart of the ocean for our cuties. Into the baggies.
Label each one, Sue!
You got it. And done!
Woohoo! So squishy!
Thanks for crafting with us, friends. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
It's just a little soup, Thorn.
You wouldn't say that if you were stuck in chewing gum.
And covered in carrot curry soup.
Oh, I'm sure you'll find a solution. No, I'm stuck in chewing gum.
I think the only thing to do is wait for the gum to harden. Then I'll chip it away. You could be here for the day.
What? Visitor alert! Take cover, Lilybuds!
They'll never see you now.
Thank you, Bucky.
All clear. We have an all clear.
Oh no! It's worse now.
Could we put up some kind of sign, this way to the trash can?
We can never make one big enough for the visitors to see.
Oh, I could stand next to the trash can and point. Or I could disguise myself as a snail.
No, Morse, but you've given me an idea. What if there was someone near the trash can calling attention to it? Someone who can be seen.
And someone cuter than a snail? So, it's very simple and safe. What we want you to do is lead visitors to the trash can by
Being cute.
Oh, they can certainly manage that. They are very cute. Stop that, Molly.
Dad said she was cuter than me. I am cuter than her.
I'm the cutest! I'm the cutest!
Stop it, Carson. No, you're not. Mama, tell him.
That's enough, all of you. They're usually so well behaved. I'm sure they'll be better when they've walked off some of that energy. Off we go.
Thank you for coming. We'll let you know.
what now? Who are we going to find who's cute enough to... Hello, Ellery.
Hello, ladies. I've just seen Thorn and his furry assistant out in the square, where they seem to be stuck for the moment. And I thought...
And you thought you'd just check to make sure the kitchen was secure?
Miss Lilybud, you know me so well. You're right, I care. I care about everything.
You're quite cute, aren't you?
Who, me? I have been called handsome, sophisticated, dashing. Yes, even cute, I do believe.
I've heard enough. Ellery, would you follow us, please?
Violet, for the 5th time, stop pushing me out in the sun.
I'm not. You're pushing me.
Guys, you shouldn't really be out in the open anyway, in case you're seen.
Oh, thank you, Rose. The sun was making them kind of grumpy. They'll be much better now.
Still hasn't hardened. This is all your fault.
I'm not listening.
I'm not talking to you then. Bucky, please tell Thorn I'm not talking to him.
Bucky, please, tell Lilac I'm not listening to her.
So, how exactly do you see this star chipmunk? Is he young? Old? Does he have brothers and sisters? Or is he perhaps an only child?
I think he's mostly cute.
That's certainly no challenge for me.
Visitor alert! Leap up, Lilybuds!
You're on, Ellery. Go out there and show them the trash can.
Look at that adorable chipmunk. That's remarkable. It's as if he's trying to tell us where the trash can is.
Great job, Ellery. Once visitors see the trash can, our litter problem will be solved.
I was good, wasn't I? Yes, I think we've got plenty to work with here.
Leap up, Lilybuds! Leap up, Lilybuds!
You have to come and see this chipmunk living in the trash can. He's so cute and funny.
Bucky, could you please tell Thorn I spy with my little eye something beginning with L.
Chef Thorne, Lilac spies, with her little eye, something beginning with L. Can you tell her we've had a leaf already?
I was talking about these lavender cookies. I mean, Bucky, would you please tell Thorne that it's not leaf that I spied, but lavender?
Huh? Mm-hmm.
Here's your apple juice and your carrot slices, Ellery.
I've changed my mind. I want raspberry juice. And honey. I must have honey.
Right away.
Hello. Am I needed by the trash can? A star's work is never done.
No, you're fine. We just wanted to say thank you. You've been brilliant.
I know.
Everyone's using the trash can. It's wonderful. But
Could you possibly stop now? It's just that you're actually attracting more visitors to the park.
Isn't that the job of the entertainer?
we're getting no work done because we're hiding all the time.
I hear what you're saying. But if my public wants me, then I can't let them down, can I?
It's a problem, all right. Look at poor Spearmint. He's plumb tuckered out. We're doing visitor alerts every 2 minutes.
It's our fault. We asked Ellery to be cute.
We don't need cute. We need quiet, well-behaved, someone who can be under control and take direction.
That's it, Mama Duck. Mama Duck, we have a favor to ask you.
Spearmint, here we go again.
Quick, over here.
Visitor alert! Leap up, little bug!
There he is. There's your chipmunk.
Oh, look, Mommy, baby ducks.
Oh, we'd better stay away. Don't want to scare the little things or worry the mother duck. Come on, honey, let's go home.
Hang on, dear. Just have to throw away these cans and garbage.
Oh, hey, Cap. Did you know Lilac makes her own marshmallows? She promised to give me lessons in the buttercup, didn't you?
And I never knew. Thorne is the best person ever at Simon Says.
It's amazing what you learn about people sometimes. Bucky, how kind.
Oh, the gum's hard. We can rescue you now.
No, don't worry about us if you have other things to do.
Raspberry peach. Thorne, you have to try this.